All right, welcome back. John and Jerry in Tracking Unusual Activity. All right, John, give me the names, please.
All right, let's do it, Judge. MARVELL, this one, 4,000 of the March 60 calls trading very rapidly in MARVELL, MRVL. I bought those for about $1.80, Scott. And since these are March options, I'll probably be in them most of the next 2 months. Second one, real quick, Lyft, LYFT, a really big trade, 14,000 of the this week expiration January 50 calls bought for about 40 cents. Certainly a cheap shot and a big one, a big bet, 1.4 million share equivalent. Lastly, Scott, you talked about GM, and so did Joe, I think, at the top. General Motors, big call buying started last week at the 52 strike. I bought those. It's moved up now to the 54 and even the 57 strikes in General Motors, and that Microsoft endorsement was huge for them. Right now, they're buying an awful lot of this week expiration January 54 calls, Scott.
Up 10%. We'll call it that for GM. Doc, thank you. Josh Brown, you own General Motors.
Yeah, I bought the breakout in the 30s, and I think that's really the takeaway here. When you buy breakouts in very large, widely followed stocks, like clear, convincing breakouts, usually what's happening is that although everyone already agrees on the facts, their opinion about how bullish those facts are starts to change. And that's really been the story. The stock is now up 50% from where I first came into it. Fundamentally, not much has changed, although this news is exciting. It's the perception that's changed. And I think that that's really something that every investor should have in their arsenal, the ability to spot breakouts, which is not that difficult to do. But oftentimes the breakout tells you when to buy, while the fundamentals tell you what to buy. And in the case of GM, it's been all good news ever since it's broken out. That's not an accident. Price is intelligent because price is the combined opinions of all of the people who are involved with the name right now.
Kudos to you. Big props to Farmer Jim. Jim Lebenthal has been talking about General Motors longer than anybody on this show. Good for him.